Hey guys, welcome back to Kid Side of Things. Today, I'm going to show you this awesome Daisy Powerline 35. Now, you can shoot either 177 caliber pellets with it, or 4.5mm BBs. I like the BBs because you can load a lot of them right into that little port. Now, as you can see, this thing's gone through a lot. I've left it out in rainstorms, I've left it out over the summer, I've left it out in basically anything, but it still works. You pump it right here, and I believe 10 pumps gets you the top PSI, or top velocity of 650 feet per second. You have your safety on the trigger, and then this thing right here, just the bolt. It's got a little magnetic thing to hold the BBs, just like that. So, let's shoot it. Safety off. Miss. So, that's just the Daisy Powerline 35. Nice iron sights. It's got dovetails so you can put a scope on there. Like I said, it's been really good to me. I got this thing for, I think, my 7th birthday. Still works awesome. Shoot rats with it sometimes. Got a rat problem. But I highly recommend you guys buying this. I'm not sponsored by Daisy. I wish I was. But I really recommend you guys buying this. Like and subscribe for more.